AgTech Tech Tip: Managing Labels and Colors. When exporting the data lines for GPS machine control and layout to an LN3, DWG, or DXF file, it may be desired to output the lines in different colors based on the type of line. For example, you may want the curb lines to be green and the pad lines to be red to avoid confusion in the field. Use the Manage Export Colors utility to assign different colors to the lines based on their line label. Create default colors for future projects for consistency from job to job. The Manage Export Colors has added new options to streamline adding and assigning labels. In Edit mode, select Utility, Manage Export Colors. To edit a label, select the label and click Rename. Enter the new label. You may edit the color after the label has been renamed. Click Add to add a new label. Enter the label and the desired color. And you can check the default box to add this label to the default labels. To reassign lines to a different label, select the desired lines. You can hold the Shift key to select multiple lines or select by the current label. Click the Reassign button. Then click the label you want to assign to the lines. Editing point and line labels has also been updated. In Edit mode, you may now select the point and line labels from the label list in the file. Select the desired line or lines to edit. Then press the L key on the keyboard. You may enter a label or click the label drop-down to display the labels. Then select the desired label. In Materials, select the desired structure and press the L key to edit the label. You may also right-click and select Edit Material Label. Material labels may now be added prior to entering the structure. So in Entry mode, press the L key on the keyboard and enter the desired label.